Now I'll also do the same thing for the second equation, except that's already written for me, L, M, and H. So I'll do 20,000 L, excuse me, plus 15,000 H, excuse me, did it again, M plus 10,000 H equals 2,250,000. Now I can go ahead and wipe out the 3 zeros, so I have 20,000, so I'll put 20 instead. 50,000, I'll put 15 instead. 10,000, I'll put 1 instead. Or excuse me, not 1 instead. I'll put 10 instead. And then here I'll cross out 3 zeros as well, so that'll leave me with 2,250. Smaller equation to work with. In this case, I'll have to rearrange it to get everything on one side. So I'll write negative 1/2 L. I'm subtracting that over. Plus 1m minus 1/2 h equals 0. So that gives me negative 1/2 L plus 1m minus 1/2 h equals 0. So now I'll summarize all of this here. I'll write my A matrix, my coefficient matrix in this case, will be the coefficients of these guys here. So negative 1.6, 0, and 1, because it's 1h. Here I'll have 20, 15, and 10. And here I'll have negative 1/2, 1, and negative 1/2. Now my B matrix, or my X matrix, contains the L, M, and H. And my B matrix, the one that contains the output values, is going to be 0, 2, 2, 5, 0, and 0. So those come from here, here, and here. So that's basically what my equation is equal to. And really our equation that we're trying to solve is AX equals B. So remember, X is equal to A inverse times B. It's the same process every time. So now if I go over to my calculator and I enter in what we had a couple pages ago, I type in, for my first matrix, I'll do well, this is a 3 by 3, so 3 by 3, and I'll type in negative 1.6, I'll type in 0, and I'll type in 1, and here I'll do 20, 15, and 10, and on the last line I'll do negative 1/2. You can type in 1/2 if you want, it's just going to convert it to 0.5, and this one here. And then for my B matrix, I'm going to do a 3 by 1, which is going to contain 0, 22, 50. Oops, messed that up. Let's try again. So that'll be 3 by 1, and this will be 0, 22, 50, and 0. So now I'm going to come over here and type in matrix A inverse matrix B, and I hit enter, and lo and behold, there are my ticket prices. So now I can come over here and say, you know what? My X matrix, my solution matrix, contains the prices of the tickets. So $40.54 for the low, $52.70 for the medium, and $64.86 for the highs. So all right, low, medium, high. So and these are the ticket dollar prices that we're requiring. And that's how it works. Now, solving 3 equations in 3 variables is a very long, tedious process. So we don't want to do that, and that's why we resort to this method. So remember, A inverse is something that mathematically can be found, but we're not going to entirely worry about that, unless you want to go into the textbook and the ebook and check this out in a little bit more detail.